Good morning, everyone. I am Sandra Habana, and welcome to Course 6. Okay, class. Yes, how are you today? Nice to hear that. Okay, I'm glad to see you again. So, I'd like you to complete this sentence. I like to learn English because... Yes, Sue. Okay, because you want to enter in a good university, okay? Yes, John? I like to learn English because you need to communicate with the people in the world. Yes. Okay, I like that answer. So, how about you, Anna? I like to learn English because... because you like watching movies. Okay, or you just simply love English. Okay, whatever your reasons are, of course. Yes. So, because of movies, because of, yes, to communicate, yes, with other people, okay, and enter in a good university. Okay. So yes, those are your sample reasons. So I prepared actually a video for you, and the title is Why Do People Learn English? 8 common reasons. Okay. So, what do you expect in this video? Yes, obviously you're going to expect the 8 common reasons why people learn English. Alright. What is this? Lingua franca. Okay. Yes. Anybody? What is lingua franca? Okay. Anyone? Yes. Yes, Brian. Excellent. Yes. It's a common language used by speakers of different language. So, what is lingua franca? What do you think is lingua franca? If it's the common language used by different speakers or speakers of different languages. Great. So, yes. English. Okay. So, yes. Lingua franca, English. That's why many people in the world are learning English. But what are the reasons? Okay. We will find out later the 8 common reasons. But for the meantime, okay, I'd like you to form groups, okay? I need 3 members for each group. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3. So, we're going to use KWL chart. So, okay, what I know, what I want to know, and what I learned. So I'm going to give each group a paper with a graph. Okay, what I know, what I want to know, and what I learned. Okay, here's the paper. Okay, here's the paper. Yes. So every group, okay, you have to think based on okay, the title of why do people learn English? 8 common reasons. Yes, so fill each column in what I know and what I want to know. Okay, so yes, talk to each other. Okay, every group. Yes, think about what you're going to write in what I know. Go ahead. And also what I want to know. Leave what I learned later after, yes, you watched the video. Yeah, I'll give you 2 minutes. Alright, so let's now play the video. I want to remind you that while listening and while watching, so we have an activity. Okay, here you have to fill in the blank. You have to answer. Okay, you have to answer and the missing part of the passage. So yes, okay, together. Yes, this is the activity. Okay, let's watch the video. Okay, here's the video. Alright, there you go. So, yes, I'd like you to finish the activity, what I learned. Okay, so I expect every group to write something in what I learned. Alright, so yes, thank you so much. That's all.